Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. Ladies and gentlemen, XRP is literally loading up for a moonshot right now. There is so much happening with it. It's absolutely mental. We've got a lot happening in the crypto market today, so I'm going to go through everything. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video. Let's get straight into it, guys. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom. And yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come on this incredible journey. We are just getting started, especially with XRP. I'm going to play you a very bullish clip, all right? So stick around. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a very large amount of people. So please make sure you give it a good old thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. You guys absolutely rock. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto, all right? So please be careful out there. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way. Guys, there's so much happening in crypto at the moment. It's extremely bullish. And we are on the verge of another bull run, all right? So I'm just saying there's been some, updates today. Just makes me love crypto that much more. Anyway, community tab. This was the movie I was referring to yesterday in my previous video, The Inside Job. This was basically when the Lehman Brothers collapsed. It was a 2008 financial crisis. Go watch this movie. It's incredible. It's really insightful as well. And I think it's Matt Damon that's voicing over this. But guys, go and have a watch of that. I think it's on Netflix, whatever, any streaming platform. Now, obviously, guys, I wake up very early. Anyway, so these were the altcoins up in my portfolio. We had Meta Hero, Alliance Block, Constellation DAG, Dogecoin, and VRA. And that is currently trending as of the time of recording. That's trending on Twitter. All right, unbelievable. Now, Binance has just added XRP to its list of dual investment products. Why do you think they've done that? I'll leave that one to you guys, but let's go into Coinspot. This is where I buy my cryptos in Australia, ladies and gentlemen. Please feel free to use the referral link below. You will get $10 in Bitcoin right there. Who doesn't want Bitcoin? So I'm going to go to $100,000 very soon. But guys, please do your own research, of course. And all the prices you see here are in Australian dollars. Everything else is set to USD because I'm catering for everybody around the world, including my Aussie audience and everyone else around the world, because the US dollar is the standard. All right. Now, Bitcoin sitting at 31,000 Australian dollars today, guys. Pretty stable at that point. This is like, I've seen Plan B tweet about this as well. This is like the 2017, 18, $4,000 level. All right. 31,000 up nearly 4% today, which is nice. Ethereum's back up to $2,100 today, 2,100. Very nice, because my investment's now coming back up, which is good. XRP, guys, up 3.78% to 75 cents. Still a bargain. Honestly, I can't begin to tell you. Once this thing goes, it's going to go. These levels will never be seen again. I'm going to look back at all my videos on XRP, which is a lot of them, because I love covering this project because I'm very bullish on it. But guys, we will never see these prices again. All right. Now, Cardano's at 68 cents. Solana's at $53. Doge is up nearly 10% today to 10 cents. Some interesting stuff happening with Elon Musk, and he may incorporate Dogecoin as well. You got Matic at $1.35. Polkadot's at $10. Moving down, Link is at $12 as well. Everything's in the green, all right? We're signaling a bull run right here. Stellar XLM is 18 cents. Near Protocol's at $5. Algorand, 56 cents. Lunar Classics down 1.5%. VeChain, nearly 4 cents. Almost there, guys. Quant is at $224. Could have bought this a few weeks ago at like $150. Madness. Anyway, Hedera, 9 cents. You've got Mana at $1.11. Sandbox as well, $1.34. This is getting added on, I believe it's Binance, all right, in October, so this month, all right. So Sandbox might move as well. Theta's $1.71. Axie Infinity up slightly today, $20.55. Guys, the staking on Coinspot is absolutely mental, man. 78% APY. It's just crazy. I've been staking it for 2 years, all right, straight up. So we could see that keep going as well. We have IOTA at 44 cents today. The graph's at 15 cents. You've got Helium at $8 today. Neo is at $14, which is really nice. Phantom is at 35 cents. Keep moving down some other favorites here. You've got Engine at 72 cents today. Waves at $6. And of course, Reserve Rights at 1 cent. And XDC at 4 cents, which is really nice. Still incredibly undervalued. Now, Alliance Block, ALBT, is down 11%. This was pumping up last night, guys, which is crazy. 7 cents right now. Some other ones I'm very bullish on, guys, of course, is Reef. Let's go here at under a cent right now. It is down slightly today. And of course, XYO, still a very undervalued gem at 1 cent. All right. Let's go to obviously Crypto Bubbles. And also, guys, please feel free to sign up to the Wall Street Bull Patreon, guys. Links are below. I love talking with everyone in there, and I'm documenting everything that I'm doing, trading, selling, business-wise, everything, guys. I'm building a very bullish community. So linked is below. Go sign up to that. Let's go to Crypto Bubbles, guys. And yes, this is on the weekly at the moment. But if I go to the daily, let me refresh this. All right, so we've got Doge absolutely pumping today, up 9.3%. On the week, 8.8%. And on the month, it is 4.9%. Now, I'm not sure what this is doing, but let me refresh this now. Okay, guys, so again, I'm still holding my Dogecoin from previous bull run. And again, before all of the stuff happened with Elon Musk, all right? So I did take out profits because it hit 80 cents Australian dollars, all right? Which is around about 60 cents, I believe it was. Let me just go back here. And again, it was already back at these levels, all right? So what I'm saying is, I'm still holding that. I took my profits out and I put it into Bitcoin, just saying, all right? So I took out cash out of that. What else we got here, guys? We've got some other big gainers here. Elron is up 5%, still up 18% on the week, which is insane. If we go to Helium, 6.7% as well, still up 24% on the month. Not that I'm invested in Helium, but XRP, guys, 4.4% on the day, 7.2% on the week, and 45% on the month. This is nothing, guys, compared to what's coming, all right? Something big is brewing. You wouldn't get Binance announcing XRP, trading, on their platform, launching new products if they didn't think that this case was going to be won, pretty much, all right? Now, XRP may make everyone cry, this trader says. Let's have a read of this article right here. The XRP cryptocurrency might be in the process of loading a moonshot, according to the synonymous trader and in Crypto Rand right here. So, the token's potential rally would make everyone cry, according to the popular chartist right here, as a price chart shared by Crypto Rand shows that XRP token appears to have formed a symmetrical triangle. Such patterns typically form during periods of consolidation. The direction of the ongoing trend is to the upside, which is good news for the bulls, all right, aka the Wall Street Bull. There you go. Keep an eye on that. And again, XRP price. Binance announces new XRP investment products, I should have said before, fuels rally in the altcoin right now. So Binance added XRP to the list of dual investment products and published an official blog post to announce the new listing. XRP holders are awaiting the US Securities and Exchange Commission next move, which again, they just have denied I remit, by the way. We'll get into that in a second. But analysts believe XRP price is on track for a 25% rally in the ongoing bear market, which again, I believe is ending very soon. So keep an eye on this, all right? So this is the reason why we're seeing XRP move, as well as the bullish news as well. And I'm not going to get into that other article here, but guys, Elon Musk, the Twitter deal is back on as well, which is really interesting. And I saw this on CNBC earlier this morning when I was watching. But so billionaire Elon Musk has apparently changed his mind about buying Twitter again, and is now willing to proceed with his takeover of the social media platform. In a letter to the firm, Mr. Musk agreed to pay the price he offered months ago before trying to quit the deal. The surprise reversal comes just weeks before the two sides were due to in court. Twitter, which had sued Mr. Musk to force the takeover to move forward, was seen as having a stronger case. I mean, it's up to him. He's the one that's buying it. Why would you take it to court? But anyway, they're saving a bomb in legal fees, that's for sure. In a letter to attorneys, Mr. Musk said he intended to move ahead to complete the transaction pending receipt of the financing and the end of the legal fight. A spokesperson for Twitter acknowledged the firm had received the proposal, adding, the intention of the company is to close the transaction at $54.20 per share, the price that Mr. Musk promised in April. The apparent win for Twitter sent its shares soaring by more than 20% to more than $52 a piece. Very, very interesting right here. And, Elon Musk wants to take over Twitter and he's going to control it. He probably will integrate, Dogecoin in this, of course, and that's going to send the price skyrocketing as well, and he might add some other crypto form of payment on Twitter as well. So we might see that move. Now, this is an interesting one here, guys. Industry pushes back against the Basel Committee crypto plans. So a group of industry associations has pushed back against a second Basel Committee on banking supervision consultation on the rules on investments in crypto assets by financial institutions. Very, very interesting right here. So some parts of the second consultation would meaningfully reduce banks' ability to and in some cases effectively preclude banks from utilizing the benefits of distributed ledger technology, a DLT, which we all know, to perform certain traditional banking financial intermediation right here and other financial functions more efficiently. As a result, banks would be limited in their ability to respond to the customer's demand for access to crypto asset products and services. Guys, they want to allocate crypto to their, balance sheets. They want to incorporate crypto trading products. All banks are going to be jumping into this, guys. I'm going to show you a very interesting tweet in relation to this as well. Floyd Mayweather is a new target right here for the SEC as well. So Mayweather continues to fight Ethereum Max lawsuit following Kim Kardashian's settlement right here. So back at the beginning of the year, some notable celebrities have been named in a lawsuit over the alleged Ethereum Max EMAX scam. These celebrities included the star Kim Kardashian, Floyd Mayweather, as well as former professional athletes Paul Pierce and Antonio Brown. The class action lawsuit had accused these celebrities of pumping the price of the token, which had inevitably fallen by 97%, causing investors to lose money while they made money. As if he hasn't got enough money as well, guys. He's Floyd Money Mayweather. Anyway, keep an eye on that to see what happens there. Extreme bullish wave for Bitcoin on the horizon as Bitcoin accumulation level hits 7-year high, guys. This is crazy. So CEO of crypto analytics platform Crypto Quant, I love Quant, shared the update on Twitter Monday as he introduced the chart to confirm his analysis. Key's analysis stemmed from Bitcoin's realized cap. Age bands indicator per data on the chart. Bitcoin held for over 6 months for new contributes a whopping 74% of the asset's realized cap. The last time the community witnessed this metric was in 2015 during the market bottom, below a Bitcoin value of $220. The surge in realized cap contribution ratio for Bitcoin aged 6 to 12 months and had been recorded twice since 2015, its recent rise. Interestingly enough, in each surge conceded that with the market bottom, the increase to 77% in 2015 occurred during the cycle bottom. Additionally, during the depths of 2019, realized cap contribution ratio for Bitcoin aged 6 to 12 months saw another rise of 70%. So, several market watchers have called the bottom of this cycle, despite a few others asserting that the markets could still be further dips before a major bull run. This metric conforms with the assertion of the cycle bottom, especially as Bitcoin failed to retest mid-June lows. Guys, there is some big things happening. I think we're on the verge of a bull run. There's a lot of analysts saying that we are on the verge of that happening very soon. So keep an eye on your crypto assets, all right? That's why I'm dollar cost averaging every week. Not going to miss this opportunity. Now, there you go. Money is flowing into XRP, Ethereum, BNB, Doge, Matic, Link. Helium, ETC, and EOS. Bitcoin, of course, that is a no-brainer, but guys, nice to see some really good coins there. Let's go to Twitter right now and see what's going on there, ladies and gentlemen. I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. There it is there, guys. Go give me a follow. Now, Veracity is trending on Twitter, which is really, really nice as well. A undervalued gem, in my opinion. Really good project for creators such as YouTubers and anyone creators. It's incredible as well. Now, I'm going to play this interview right here. So, XRP was never designed for buying coffee. Our positioning for XRP is as a wholesale digital asset. Have a listen to this, guys. This is Dilip Rao, former Ripple executive. This is an old interview going back from 2020, and thank you, XRP Crow, for this. Have a listen.
It was never designed for buying. So the use of XRP is probably threefold. I guess I told you about two of them already as a substitute for Nostros, as a bridge currency. And initially, it was also a mechanism to stop denial of service attacks on the network. So really, it was never designed for buying coffee. So our positioning for XRP is really as a wholesale digital asset. And we're licensed to sell that out of a fund that we have in New York as exactly that, for that purpose.
So you're saying, I mean, it's mostly used by banks, but is it only for banks now? Or do you think there will be some other use cases?
So I think the starting point was certainly this primary use case for cross-border transactions. Now, we've gone there because obviously there's big money there, and therefore you want to solve big problems. So we have many, now a lot of MSBs or PSPs, beginning to sign up to Ripple because they compete with banks. So we are not saying that this is only for banks or only for somebody else, but really, ultimately, all of these financial institutions have to transact with each other, and they'll do that only if they know and trust each other. So from that point of view, joining the club means that we're creating a RippleNet club, which, for the first time, in 40 years, there's a new network coming together of both banks and financial institutions who want to use this technology, but also what we call the Ripple Rulebook, to be able to transact comfortably with each other.
There you go. Incredibly bullish on that one, ladies and gentlemen. Now, MasterCard launches Crypto Secure, a software to combat fraudulent crypto transactions, which is good in itself. Now, this is what I was going to say, guys. Just in the world's largest banks, that was before in the article I just showed you, the world's largest banks asked for 5% Bitcoin and crypto allocation cap into a letter to, obviously, the bank to international settlements. Instead of 1% suggested in June, that is $9 trillion. All right, so if that happens, $9 trillion is going to hit the crypto market, which would then put us up to around $10 trillion. Okay, so a lot of cryptos are going to do very well. Plan B like clockwork, guys. Bitcoin's hitting that 100K level very, very soon. What else we got here, guys? Again, well positioned before that happens. Let's just have a watch of this. This is Kevin O'Leary speaking in this, by the way.
That actually solve problems. So let's give an example. I'm an investor in Polygon. I'm a very fortunate guy. I'm able to call up the leaders of these projects and these teams, and they return my call, and I ask to meet them anywhere in the world. In this case, we met in Dubai with the Polygon team. I'm an investor in software engineers. I always have been. I've been in the software industry for 20 years. They're very, very strong, and their mandate, what they decided to do, is to try and reduce the cost by sitting on top of Ethereum and aggregating transactions. So the gas fees are a fraction of what they would be if you're doing them one at a time. I thought that was a brilliant strategy, and I made an investment in Polygon. The same with Solana, the same with Ethereum, the same with, HBAR. All of these are software, and they all have different attributes. If you're investing in, for example, in Google or in Microsoft, what are you investing in? You're investing in software. Why wouldn't you invest in crypto? It's software too. And in the case of crypto, just take, for example, Circle and USDC. USDC takes a lot of pressure and reduces fees in all kinds of different ways. And in the case of staking, gives you some kind of yield against inflation. So all of this to me is just software engineering, and I have a broad portfolio. I'm very familiar with the engineers involved in each.
Basically, he's saying buy coins that actually, will benefit the future of financial markets, guys. Don't go investing in meme coins, pretty much. Now, obviously, guys, buying Twitter is an accelerant to creating X, the everything app, guys. It's very interesting what he's saying there with the X. He loves XRP, just saying. Anyway, just as a joke. Anyway, fear and greed index is sitting at 20 right now. The global cryptocurrency market has obviously reclaimed 1 trillion overnight, and Bitcoin miners signal a start to the bull run, which again, Plan B is just put up as well, and that's incredibly bullish, guys. Be prepared. It's about to take off. And have a read of this, because I'm not allowed to say, guys, but who would you trust more? Charlie Sheen on you-know-what against the SEC, Gary Gensler. That's hilarious. Anyway, and we're going to end up on this one as well. The SEC opposes iRemit and TapJet's motions to file an amicus brief. Of course they do, claiming the proposed briefs are improper attempts to offer evidence outside the constraints of discovery restrictions, the rules of evidence, and the court's prior order. They are just ridiculous, guys. I hope the judge sees through their absolute BS. Now, let's go to coin market cap again. Total market cap's $968 billion US, $60 billion in trading volume in the last 24 hours, 40% BTC, 17% Ethereum. That is dropping, ladies and gentlemen. I hope XRP flips Ethereum. In my opinion, it will. Let's go to my watch list. Of course, I'm buying Bitcoin, but guys, this is where my money's going straight up. XRP, Cardano, XLM, Algorand, Quant, Hedera, IOTA, XDC, Casper, and Alliance Block. Very, very nice picks right there. And of course, Veracity is an undervalued gem, which again, I'm not paid to say that, guys. I'm never paid by anyone, but guys, I'm very bullish on that as well. And Axie Infinity staking 78% APY on Coinspot. Bullish as anything. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you very much. Make sure you follow me on socials and join the Patreon, guys. Linked below. Stay safe. We'll speak to you soon. Peace out. Bye.